How to change world in Resident Evil Survival Unit. So you can't do this in your profile or in your settings, so that's what's make it a little confusing. But you can do this in your world map. So just go ahead and enter here in the bottom left corner, and once you enter your little map, just go ahead and zoom out. Just pinch the screen, and it's gonna zoom out a little, and it's gonna look like this. A little icon over here will pop out. That is where you can access and see your worlds and change worlds. So once you press on that, this will pop out. As you can see the world numbers, which one is stable and not, and which ones are available. So just go ahead and swipe to see which world is good for you. But that is pretty much how you change worlds in Resident Evil Survival Unit. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.